got some on your nose. This is a slightly messy process. What do you think about this? Do you like the cereal? Yeah? Can you hold the bowl for me? Ready for some more? Hey, what do you think about this? Do you like some more? Yummy. Oh, is it good? What do you think? Ready? Do you like the cereal? Do you like it? Yeah. Well, what's more? Yummy. Whoops. Is it good? What do you think? Well, what do you think? Is that better than plain old formula? Yeah, I think so too. Oh. Okay. What do you think? Want another bite? Alex, ready? Yummy! Open wide.
Yummy.
Wow. Yes. Is it good? Yes. You look like Daddy after he finishes Chipotle. Yes. Ready? Yummy. There you go. Now we're getting the hang of it.
That is good.
All right. What do you think? Gonna eat the whole bowl now? Yeah? Well, that's one way to do it. Yeah, that's one way to do it. Yummy, huh? Yummy. You just gonna drink the whole bowl? What do you think about it? Oopsies. All right.